No, no, no.
Father also.
At the
Those come together is Sridhar.
exactly. And what is the claim of a husband, Hindu husband?
Ultimately, I have to prove. Ultimately, I have to prove these are my
Section
Sridhar.
27 is there.
Yes, 20. Which?
What can be
Hindu man.
considered as Sridhan?
Yes, that's I have to prove. Till such time, if I cannot prove, I cannot get it. But till
What
such
is the
time,
next date in the misappeal? Good.
kindly once look to the order.
Next date in the
Ground is-
misappeal.
Yes, I'm.
Next date in the misappeal.
So, ground is valid kindly once 17th December.
December.
Many things can happen. These are all movable properties.
Mr. Bose, I'm again telling you, what you have claimed as Sridhan. I do not want to make any comment on this your claim because it may prejudice the parties either way. So best way, prove
I
your
have
at
to
least
prove, I know. I have to prove
not
that
the
these are the
proof
Sridhar.
one, by the statute itself, the nature of Sridhan of a lady who is claimed to have acquired this property by dint of her marriage. Nothing else?
Nothing else.
Not that she has inherited it somewhere. So if that be so, what are the tests? What is the right of husband over such properties given to them at the time of marriage or in relation to marriage?
These are not the materials which has been given by my in-laws house.
No, no, no.
Father also.
At the
Those come together is Sridhar.
exactly. And what is the claim of a husband, Hindu husband? That has to be looked into.
I am not asking for you to decide or any court to decide.
One thing I'm telling you, since
And husband is
since
not a
it is
party. I have no quarrel with the husband.
father,
Problem, the property of the brother.
husband is in your side.
Yes. Problem is the entire
Husband is a
property of
party
this
to the
family
suit.
has been partitioned.
Husband is a party to this suit.
No. Entire property of this family.
Boss, please, I fail to understand one thing. The lady is claiming to have some Sridhan by dint of her marriage.
May I explain that in my own humble way?
Please meet
This property brought by me as a Sridhan from my father's property and some promised by my father-in-law and gave it to me. All became Sridhan. Now, there is a partition amongst the family members. In that family partition, my properties, these properties sought to be incorporated in the hotspot of that partition and tried to take away.
Have you ever applied for exclusion of that properties from the hotspot of the partition?
It's a oral partition among the themselves, not a partition suit.
Please meet me at least one query of this court.
Fine.
The wife is claiming to have some interest over some properties which has
According
come
to
in
me,
her hands
Yes.
in relation to marriage.
Marriage.
Right?
Marriage is
Parties
substitute
are-
quarrel.
Parties are Hindus. Can you maintain such a suit of declaration in the absence of husband?
But I have no quarrel with the husband.
Possibly you are putting a wrong test of necessary party. Possibly subject to what you say. This is a Sridhan you are claiming which you have acquired by dint of my marriage. Now, whether husband is a necessary party to the suit or not, if he is not, I will show galore of judgments of this, that in deciding such an issue, presence of the
Husband is
parties
necessary.
to the marriage
Maybe.
is necessary.
Maybe. My lord,
Then
maybe
I do not want to make an
what I'm
observation
saying-
affecting. That is why I'm
No, no,
telling
no.
you.
there may be necessary
Please
party left out
please sub, bring the other side. I'm fixing a date for hearing.
and protect
No,
that.
sorry.
This
The wanting certified copy of the learned or certified copy of the order of the learned trial judge dated July 19, 2024 is filed. Let it be kept in the record. So the order impugned is the order passed by the appeal court below, refusing to pass an order or an interim order of injunction. The injunction, the order, though prima facie appears to be not, does not deserve interference, but the appeal needs to be disposed of expeditiously in view of the nature claimed in the said
this
and the order and the injunction thereto. To expedite such disposal, the petitioner is directed to effect service on both returnable 3rd October,
It can be
supplementary evidence.
put that. Next week we can come. And my lord, this observation, if, on the subsequent day I could not convince my lord. This finding.
No,
is
you
there.
cannot. Cannot. Ad interim,
My
you
lord, you
cannot.
cannot prevent me from trying.
Sometimes I have
No,
to.
no, no. You cannot
But
cannot prevent
please,
me.
please don't invite any observation from the court
I
that
don't
way.
want. My only
Please
point.
consider
I
very
repeat,
fully. Please fully consider a lady who is claiming to have some right over a property which has come to her hand by operation
means
of law,
right.
but
by marriage.
by marriage. Whether husband is a necessary party.
Maybe necessary party. But the trial
Want of
court,
necessary party,
trial
ad interim order, Mr. Bose.
Lord, kindly give me minutes time. The trial court has not rejected my prayer on that ground that I want to convince my
Forget
lord.
about the trial judge, forget about the appeal court. Is my simple query affecting the maintainability of the suit. If you want, I can observe. But if you do not want, take steps in the meantime.
My lord, kindly grant leave to correct. There is some correction at the earlier date. I have to correct. You have to correct it.
এমনিতেই যাবে not inform বলে দেখি
Not informed. No, not in the. Everything is correct.
What is-
Typographical error. Some
Where?
typographical error there.
Post title.
No, no. In the body of the petition.
Audio, how can I give you the lip? Mr. Kormogan?
Body না কোথায়?
এইগুলো তো
No, no. These are not affidavit also.
synopsis
Synopsis are other.
What is the error?
Post title.
Synopsis.
Up to cost title there, so it can be locked. It can grant leave. And my
Where?
one
Which
supplementary
page? Which
affidavit,
page?
the first
Synopsis.
synopsis page
Then cost title.
What kind of?
this schedule Y, instead of schedule Y it has to be schedule X, and instead of plaint it should
Short
be
synopsis.
First page. First page.
This is
First page.
only this page.
and yes, and,
And the
the
cost
cost title page 2, instead of SIMA it has to be ASEEMA.
Can be.
Is granted to the learned advocate